Hello everybody, it's a beautiful day out here today. Okay, so today it's August 20th, 2017. We're gonna do an analysis on its stage stores a buy. Okay, so the stock ticker is SSI. Alright, so let's give a summary on what they do. It operates specialty department stores in small towns or communities in the USA. So it's kind of like a town have like 10,000 population. Okay, so what stores are under their brand? Bellas, I don't know, Goodies, Palace, Royal, Peoples, and Stage. Okay, so I'm not a great pronunciator, so please forgive me. Okay. So like total they have 793 stores. So around more than 50% of stores are in Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, New Mexico. So it's like all oil-based states. So the CEO has said that if those states right now have the oil price have dropped, so it does affect their business because those states are mainly depend on oil for income. Okay, so let's move on. So their balance sheet right now currently they have 26 million in cash. Total debt is 227 million. I know that's crazy amount of debt for this. And then their market cap, which I forgot to mention, right now is 47 million. Okay, so it's tiny. It used to be around almost 1 billion. Okay, so it's definitely having the palm Amazon effect at this store. Okay, so right now they also have 450 million in line of credit, so that means they can borrow more money from the bank if they need to. They can borrow up to 450 million, but I don't know how much they have used up. And the 450 million they maybe have used up like 200 million already, but I don't know because they did not say it in the conference call. Okay, so they still pays a dividend even though they are losing money like this year, and yeah, probably most likely this year as well and last year. So they pay 0.20 cent a share per year, so that's around 11.05% dividend rate. So that's around 0.05 cent per quarter. Okay, so that's what they're paying right now. So let's look at their asset. They have really a lot of asset. Okay, so total asset is 860 million. Total liability 506 million. Okay, so total shareholder equity is 354 million, which is amazing. Okay, so they have strong asset. Okay, so which is already more than the 47 million market cap they have. All right. So as you know, their business is not doing well because they're already losing money. People started buying stuff, buying like products online, and Amazon is taking a lot of market shares from everybody, from all the department retail stores like Sears, Office Depot. Okay, so everybody is getting like hammered pretty bad. Okay, so what are they do? What is Stage Store doing right? Okay, they right now they are offering buy online, pick up at store. Okay, to compete with Amazon and Walmart. Walmart is also doing the same thing, buy online, pick up in store, free. All right, they purchased the off-price retail Gordman. Gordman's went bankrupt, and they purchased their retail store. They have currently they're holding 58 of those retail stores. And their sales have not been implemented into their income statement yet, so it should be like next quarter or so. Okay, so this is the reason why this like store boosts up a lot of credibility for me to consider it buying it. Okay, so this kind of store is Gordman is not competing with TJ Maxx, Rose for Less. If you check the market cap for those, Rose for Less is kind of like 20 billion, and TJ Maxx has 60 billion market cap. So if they are successful with Gordman, they can probably become a $1 billion market cap because of Gordman, because they are competing against the same category of price retail. Okay, it's like for example, Nike shoes, and people bought it and don't like it and return it, and they can still sell it as new, but it's like 50% off, or they can buy stuff and buy inventory from clothing store, and like store that are closing and buy their inventory. Then let's move on to number 3. What they are doing right, they have new beauty counters, beauty stands, they are like building new building stands and 150 store that you can like just go and try out their makeups and a lot of stuff. Okay, so this category is competing against Ulta Beauty. Okay, it's the same thing. They offer in-store product for you to try in the store. So their market cap is like around it's in the billions as well. So they are also wanting to take market share from Ulta Beauty. And then their Stage website have a lot of improvements. It's very excellent improvement. You go in there and everything, the website seems more functional. So they definitely are investing in the right stuff right now. Okay, so here comes the big question: will I buy it? Okay, so it's definitely have huge risk because there are so much in debt, and then I don't know if Gordman store gonna be successful or not. You haven't proved anything. If it's successful, so if I buy it, I'll buy it for the Gordman store because it's only have 58 and they're opening 58 Gordman stores. Okay, so if I buy it, I'll buy it for the I'll buy it for the Gordman stores. It's the off-price retail. I think that's the main source of success. Okay, yeah, if the store succeeds, your market cap will rise to at least $1 billion a market cap for the Stage store if they can. And I think if they like successfully build out the Gordman store. Excuse me. So since you have so much risk, it could go bankrupt as well. I will put less than 1% of it, of my portfolio in this stock because I have huge rewards as well. Okay, so I will not put like more than 1%, probably 0.5%, okay, of my portfolio in that stock because it's so risky. Okay, so I will buy this like little bit. Okay, I will buy it just not much because it's so risky. Okay, so I am not a financial advisor. Okay, so if the stock went bankrupt, you cannot come for me. Okay, it's just my opinion. Okay, so you also have to do your own research. So if you find out anything more that's interesting about this company, please leave me a comment below and let me know. So I will start buying shares in the company just a little bit, not because I know it's risky. Tomorrow it could go down 50%, but I'm buying it for the Gordman store, and I think have a huge potential. All right, so that's my take on Stage stores. So also don't forget, please subscribe. I will do more videos on what is it a buy videos. Okay, so leave a comment below on what you want me to do, like Netflix, Shopify, Amazon, Tesla, anything. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.